An Active Directory is the database that contains a central repository of user information for a company network. Most larger companies use an Active Directory because it allows them to standardize user and access rights information across their company. Let's take a look at how most shared storage systems implement an Active Directory. Most shared storage systems simply copy information from the Active Directory to their own database. This can work, but has the specific disadvantage of always being outdated. When information is updated in the Active Directory, unless the copy is done again, the shared storage system doesn't know about it. But Platform is integrated. That means that Platform actually connects real-time to an existing Active Directory so that the information is always up to date. And if you don't have an Active Directory in your company, Platform can actually become the Active Directory for you. Let's take a look at Platform's simple interface into the Active Directory. Platform makes it easy for non-IT administrators to set up users in the system. Simply by clicking Add New User button, the system brings up a form. Let's say that we're going to add in Janice here with a password. Set her in the editing department with a specific phone number. Click OK, and Janice is added to the Active Directory. If we want to add Janice to a group, we simply select the Groups tab, select Editors, for example, edit the members, select Janice, and add her to the group. Now the value of the Active Directory is when we use the information in it to apply permissions to projects and folders across the system. Let's take a look at permissions. Permissions in the Platform system are broken up by setting permissions per platform space or by user. Let's take a look at Janice that we just added. Now at the moment, Janice has no access to information across the system. But since she's an editor, let's go ahead and give her access to the editing platform spaces. We use the filter here to select the spaces that have editing in it, and let's just set her up to have read and modify access to all of those spaces. Simply by checking those boxes, Janice now has read and write access to all of these platform spaces. Platform's simple but powerful implementation of the Active Directory makes it easy for administrators to manage access throughout your facility.